Hello everybody and welcome to another tutorial video of Cloudify application. And in today's video, we are going to be learning about how to fill in the class details or how to create new class. So before learning how to create new class, you need to learn how to create section and how to create weekdays. So let us start first with how to create weekdays. Go on to the settings, click on weekday. Let me explain to you what weekday is. As you all know that all the classes got different working days in a week. Primary students got 4 days working in a week, whereas high school students got 6 days, and the students of 11th and 12th, they got special classes too, hence 7 days working in a week. So let us make a new weekday. Let us imagine we're making a weekday detail for a higher class that probably needs to come 7 days a week. So just type in 7 days a week. Code, type in whatever you want, description whatever you want, and as it is 7 days, I'm going to be checking all these boxes and I'm going to be clicking on save. And now as you can see, we've made ourselves a new weekday detail. You can just do it the same and make how many weekday details you want. And now coming up to the section. As you all know, every single class got multiple sections. You can make the sections over here. Click onto the new, type in the section name you want, section A, section B. Over here I'm using section F. Code, use code whatever you want, description whatever you want. Click on save, and there you've made yourself a new section. And after making up the section, we are ready to make ourselves a new class. Now click on new. We are going to be making class 12th. So type in class 12th. Code, you can put whatever code you want, description whatever you want. I'm putting in 120 total students, and weekdays, as it is class 12th, we'll put 7 days a week. And let us assume that this class got 3 sections. So we are going to be clicking on section A, section B and section C, and click on save. And there we've made ourselves a new class. That is how you make class. You can make class for all the classes. So as you can see, we've made ourselves a new class. And if you want to edit it, make the changes. For example, if you want to change weekdays 7 days a week to 5 days a week, you can just do it over here. If you want to add another section, section D, you can add it over here. Save. And there you've made yourself changes too. So now if you want to know the class details of all the classes, just click on a really big number, click on load. You can see all the class details are here. Class details of all the classes are over here. And if you want to search specifically, you can search it. I'm just gonna type class 12th, load, and as you can see, we've got ourselves class 12th details. Now if you want to change the sequence, as you can see, class 12 is at the top when nursery should be at the top. So we'll just put it down at the bottom. As you can see, now everything is in the order. Click on save. There you've changed the sequence too. Now if you want to take the print out of the class details, go back to the class, click on this PDF, and as you can see, you can print in the class details information. Whereas if you want it to be downloaded as an Excel file, you can download it over here too. And the information that you enter in the class details is going to be shown in the drop down menu like this. So I hope you learn how to make class. I hope you learn how to make weekday, and I hope you all learn how to make section. I guess this is it for today's video. I am going to be making more helpful videos on all the sections. And if you all are having any questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.